Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to add a custom domain for an app service. So let me click on app service. So if you see here, I have a application, React app application. So currently it has a default domain available. Let's run this. It just loads the application. So instead of this default Azure website.net, we need our custom domain. So we already have a domain called cloudops.cloud. So we'll add something around that. So in order to add that, we have like within the overview itself, we have like add custom domain. If not this, you can actually from the left hand side panel, you can click on custom domain. It takes you to the same view. And let me click on add custom domain here. In this case, I don't need a app service domain. Instead, I'll create from the other domain service. In our case, it's a GoDaddy. And I'll add the certificate later. Let me give the domain React app. Okay, so this is the domain which I added. So first, as soon as we enter this, it will say that, okay, now add the CNAME. And so let me click on validate to show. So yeah, it says that we don't have a text record and the second record available here. So what I do first, I'll add the CNAME and then text record accordingly in the domain. Under the DNS, I'll be adding the record. Add a new record. First will be the CNAME record. Let me give the name React app. Let me copy the value, which will point into the app service URL. Let me give a custom default of 600 seconds. Let me save it. Okay, I need to give the authentication. OTP. Okay, now I added the CNAME. Now, same way, I need to add the next record as well, which is my TXT record. Before adding that, we'll see. Let's try to validate it. Okay, so the first one, CNAME, it is able to retrieve from the DNS on the GoDaddy account. So now we need to add the text record also. So this time I'll select the text, give it the name. Let me copy the name, value of it. Let's update. Let's again give the default of 600 seconds. Let me save, continue and verify. Verify code. Okay, let's give some seconds. And again, after that, again, we can validate. So this time, even this, which was not matched before, it should be as status as a green check.
Yeah.
Okay, so now both the validation passed. Now let me add this. Okay, so now custom domain has been successfully added, which will be react app.cloudops.cloud. So now let's add a binding where we need to add the certificate, SSL certificate. I'll go with the SSL type as a SNI SSL itself. And here in the source, I have an option either I can pull it from the Key Vault or I can upload from the certificate. So let's see the import from Key Vault. So it will directly says that, okay, select Key Vault certificate. This is my key vault, which have the record. And this is a CloudOps -cloud.ssl. Okay, so I have it in the key vault. We can just cross check in the key vault as well. Under the certificate, we have it. There's the one which expires on 26/2026. 4/26/2026. Now, instead of this, what I'll do, this is the best practice of doing it, but I just wanted to go with the other option as well, like upload certificate directly, just to show what happens in field. When I click on browse, we have this in the location selected. It asks for the password. So in case of the key vault, the password was already been provided when it was uploaded in the key vault. So now I'm giving the certificate password. Now let me click on add. Okay, so the certificate has been uploaded successfully and it shows secure. Now when we go to the overview, we have this custom domain available. Let me click on this. So it should give the same thing. You see this when we have tried with the default domain, we have got the same result with the custom domain as well. So we have the app service working with the custom domain. Thank you.